Okay, contacting Yonkers City Court in regards to attempting to move up my motion hearing with Fabco Coffee and have it on its own court date. Phone number I'm dialing is 1914-831-6450.
You have reached the Yonkers City Court, located at 100 South Broadway, Yonkers, New York 10701. Our office hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. Please listen to the following options to help direct your call. For traffic matters, please press 1. For civil matters, please press 2. For criminal matters, wait while I transfer your call. Yonkers Civil.
Hi, I'm calling because my court date was rescheduled, and I also, I believe I had a court date for May 26th. The other party requested that it be adjourned. Also, on May 26th, we were on for a motion hearing, and I was hoping to schedule a motion hearing before the actual court date.
Do you have an index number?
Give me 1 second, I can pull it up. General information, cases, lawsuit, Westchester. Yonkers isn't in here. I believe it might have been 2636. No, that doesn't sound right. Actually, hold on. I know where it is. It is right here. Docket receipts. Yeah, 3626. I'm sorry.
Is this for civil?
It was small claims.
Kevin Ham versus Fabco Coffee?
Correct.
Yeah, so it was adjourned to August 11th at 1 p.m.
I understand. However, that is more than 2 months out, and I would like to have a motion hearing before that court date.
Okay, alright, hold on. Hello, Yonkers City Small Claims Clerk. Can I help you?
Hello, Miss. My name is Kevin Ham. I'm calling in reference to Small Claims 3626.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the previous court date was adjourned from May 26th to August 11th per the request of the defendant. So I'm hoping to schedule a motion hearing before that date, and only a motion hearing, and leave that date intact.
At this time, there are no available dates. August 11th was the earliest date available at the time of scheduling.
Even for
So all the other dates are, usually for small claims, the judge wants to hear the motion in person with both parties, and I cannot confirm that you will have enough time to be heard on any other date but August 11th.
it's just a motion hearing, there's no chance of going to trial on that date.
So, I understand that, but there's no small claims in July. June is fully booked, and the dates of August 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 10th are full.
Okay, so let me just go back on that really quick.
Okay.
When you say there's no small claims in July, what does that mean?
No. So small claims, because the judges may not be in, as it is technically during the summer, small claims is kind of not open in July. It's not available.
So
there's no small claims in July. There's small claims in June up until the 30th, and then it starts again on August 3rd. And other cases have been scheduled for those dates.
So every judge in the city of Yonkers civil part is going to be on vacation in the month of July?
Judge, but small claims is the first thing to get whacked during, I'm not sure, but for small claims, there's no court in July. This is something that's been going on since before I even came here, so I can't change that.
Okay, the issue is, I feel as if I'm entitled to have a motion hearing before the court date.
No, you are, but it is on August 11th. Unless you want it after, but I'm telling you, I'm not saying that you can have a motion. It's just for scheduling purposes, there are no other court dates available.
Yes, but the letter I received stated that I need to be prepared to go to trial on August 11th, and I feel as if I'm entitled.
You can also schedule the motion hearing for that date.
It should already be scheduled for that date, as I indicated that in the email when I agreed to the adjournment because the other party couldn't make it, and I am aware that we can't have a motion hearing with only myself.
Okay, so it is currently scheduled for August 11th.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but the issue is that I'm expected to potentially go to trial on August 11th as well.
So the judge will hear the motion, and potentially the matter will go to trial that day.
Yeah, I'm insisting that I should have a court date that is only a motion hearing so that I have time to prepare for a following court date if necessary.
So I'm telling you then that we can schedule a trial for afterwards and have the motion on the 11th.
That's fine.
But for scheduling purpose, there's no other date available.
Okay, so just to be clear, I would prefer and appreciate if there was an earlier date, and if that is not possible, then I would like the trial date moved further into the future, and August 11th be the motion hearing date only.
So, generally for motions, are you saying then that you will have the motion on that date? You will give Fabco Coffee time to put in their opposition. It's generally 2 weeks out, and then you will reply, which is generally 1 week out, and then the judge will hear the motion possibly sometime in, if not late August, then early September.
No, you're not understanding. I submitted this motion almost 2 months ago.
I understand that, so usually we also have time for a motion schedule, which will give the other party time to respond to your motion, give opposition, and then give you time to reply to that opposition. And then the judge will read every paper that is given to them, and then make a decision on that motion.
Okay.
That does take time as well.
All right. So currently,
you do not have a motion scheduled. You do not have a motion scheduled currently out.
Usually that would have been given on August 11th.
Well, my motion paperwork actually indicated that I would like a response from Fabco Coffee. I don't have the motion in front of me right now. Might you be able to pull it up?
So I do have the motion, but everything was adjourned to August 11th.
Okay.
So nothing would start until August 11th.
Okay, that's fine. Can we just set up a new court date for the trial date then?
So are you assuming that the motion will be dismissed and the trial will go forward?
No, I don't know exactly what's going to happen. I'm not a judge, and I'm not the decision maker in the matter.
At this time, I would also have to have the other party available to speak to them to confirm when they're available for a trial. So I don't think I can schedule a trial at this time because I would need to speak to Fabco Coffee to see when they are available for trial.
Well, when I filed this case, the trial date was set without their consent.
Yes, and then a notice was given to them, and now they are notified that they are on schedule for August 11th. But for any further motions or further trial date, I would also need their consent without the judge present. If they're here with the judge present, then we can just schedule something. They don't necessarily need to agree, but they can schedule something as long as the judge is present. But currently, this is an ex parte communication, and I can't schedule something without their consent.
Yeah, it's just like I feel like I'm being cheated out of a motion hearing, and then...
I'm not. It is currently scheduled for August 11th. You will be heard that day. A schedule can be made that day, and then afterwards, a trial can be scheduled with both parties present and the judge there to hear it as well.
Yeah, it's I mean, you kind of just went back...
I'm going by protocol. I'm not trying to do anything. I'm just going by protocol and letting you know. Currently, scheduling needs both parties. If not both parties, I need to give it to the judge. So unless you want me to give this request to the judge, then I can do that.
Well, yeah, obviously.
Need both parties.
Obviously, I would like to give them to the judge because I feel as if I'm entitled to a motion hearing and only a motion hearing. Beyond that, you kind of just went back on what you said and contradicted yourself. You said we can move the trial date out, and then you just took it back.
So I said that we can do a trial date, and I can schedule one. I would wait till August 11th when both parties are available so that I know when I can put the trial on there.
Okay, so...
It would happen in late August or September.
The whole point is that I feel like I'm entitled to have a motion hearing and only a motion hearing before my trial date.
So we can hear that on August 11th, and then the judge will decide based on the motion what to do from there. But I can't schedule anything right now, especially only speaking with you.
Also, in my email, when I agreed to the adjournment per the request of the defendant, I made it clear that we were on for a motion hearing, 1. 2, it was per the request of the defendant. And 3, it also needs to be scheduled in front of the correct judge. May I ask what judge it is on for?
Oh, I have no idea because it's basically August 11th. We don't schedule that further out. We don't put judges specifically to dates 2 months out. Okay.
Is the court aware that it's a motion to transfer to the regular civil part?
So it'll be heard on August 11th to transfer to the civil part, and then it'll be transferred to the main morning calendar. Should it be done so after that?
Okay, but that can only be done by the chief judge.
No, it'll be done by the judge that's hearing that day.
I'm pretty sure under UTC, only the chief judge of the courthouse may authorize a transfer.
So, the judge will hear it that day and then determine whether or not to give it to the chief judge or just handle it themselves.
Okay. I just want you to be mindful. I've recorded this entire conversation.
I know.
And I hope everything is correct that you said here.
I mean, usually you're supposed to let the person know that you're recording conversation. But
No, actually,
yeah,
New York State is a one-party consent state.
No, I know you're not gonna be that type of person, but okay.
It's a one-party consent state. I mean, there's no, I have no obligation.
You're recording conversation because for whatever reason it may be. But I'm letting you know the case will happen August 11th.
Okay. Yeah, and if you could make a request to a judge before then, essentially just going over what it is I've told you here, that would be wonderful.
So you can do this in writing, and then I'll give it to a judge. But letting you know, the cases for small claims are fully booked until basically the date that was given to you.
Okay, that's not a problem. Will an email suffice?
I will give the email to my supervisor, and then we'll see from there.
So you're not sure if an email would suffice?
No, I'm not sure. It may need further review by the court attorney and by the judge. I can give it to them to let them review it.
Okay, so is there a particular method I can use which would suffice?
I do not feel at liberty to tell you that because I do not know myself what exactly you may need. And this is your case. I must stay neutral. I cannot help you in this matter.
I'm not asking for help. I'm just asking what are the rules of the court.
I don't feel at liberty to tell you that because you would have to discover that yourself. I must stay neutral.
Are you not going to tell me the rules of the court?
The rules of the court is, well, I mean, you've looked up certain statutes of New York State. I feel you would be able to do that. Also,
right,
I
but
don't know specifically what the judge may want. I don't know.
Yeah, but you work in that courthouse.
What you may put in.
You work in that courthouse.
Oh, yeah.
It is your job to instruct plaintiffs and defendants of what the judge would like, specifically in small claims.
Well, specifically, I can let you know that you can just wait till August 11th, but you want to do this earlier. So that may be...
it's not a matter of that. I want it addressed before August 11th.
Exactly. So you want this to be heard before August 11th?
No. I want my concerns addressed before August 11th. You're telling me you don't know...
the judge to hear your concerns before August 11th?
Correct.
So you can put that in the email and determine what specifically the judge will want so they can process your request earlier.
Am I also going to need to CC the defendant on this email?
It may help, just so that they know what you're doing.
Okay. Actually, can I ask, do you have a supervisor available since you are not at liberty to discuss the rules of the Yonkers City Court for which you work for?
So one supervisor is currently out to lunch and the other is currently occupied. I do not know when he'll be done.
Is it appropriate for them to give me a call back when one of them are available?
I can ask them to call you back when they're available.
Okay. Do you need a contact number?
Oh, no, I do have your phone number. I can just double check with you. Is it 914-415-2858?
Correct.
Okay, so I will ask them when they're available to call you back.
Okay, hopefully that would be today.
Hopefully.
Okay, thank you.
Right. Goodbye.